Hey everyone, it's David, guiding you to moments that are vivid. This video is going to reveal secrets from a guy's perspective, so pay close attention. I'm about to share foolproof strategies to get him to text you first and how you can gauge his interest just through texting without even asking. Make sure you understand them fully by watching this multiple times, and don't forget to leave your own stories in the comments. Section 1. Wait for him to text first. First, wait for him to text you. Don't be the one who initiates the conversation. This may sound simple, but it's crucial. When you're always the one to reach out first, you might be subconsciously sending a message that you're more invested in the relationship than he is. By waiting for him to make the first move, you give him the chance to show his interest and commitment. Now, this doesn't mean you should wait forever. The key is to avoid always being the one to text first. It's a balancing act. If you're always the one reaching out, it can create an imbalance in the relationship dynamic. But if you wait too long without any response, it might be a sign that he's not as interested as you hoped. If he doesn't text you, then it's time to move on. I know it's tough, but if you can't move on, you'll always end up chasing and failing in relationships. It's important to remind yourself that it's okay to let go. You need to keep trying to move on, no matter how hard it is. Sometimes, it's better to be with someone who likes you more than you like them. By moving on, you open yourself up to new opportunities where you're valued and appreciated. Section 2. How to respond when he texts. Next, when he does text you, you need to hold your ground. Most of the time, his text will be something casual like, "Hey, what's up?" or "What are you up to?" In these cases, don't let him have the upper hand. Respond in kind. If he says, "Hey," you reply with, "Hey." This keeps the conversation on equal footing. If he says, "What's up?" you respond with, "What's up?" The key here is not to jump ahead by saying something like, "Hey, what are you doing now?" Instead, wait for him to reveal his intentions or steer the conversation. This approach shows that you're confident and not overly eager, which is often more attractive. Make sure he's the one who brings up the next topic. Don't be the one to introduce new subjects. However, if he sends a longer, more detailed message, it's important to match his level of investment. If he's putting in more effort, it's okay to do the same, but always keep the balance. Mirroring his tone and style is a subtle way to build rapport and keep the conversation flowing. Section 3. How to make him text first consistently. You're watching this because you're probably the one who always texts first, right? Here's what you need to do. Consistency is key in any relationship, especially in communication. If you're both texting every 2-3 days, it's okay to text him first occasionally, but here's where you need to control the situation. If you've texted him first 3 times, then on the 4th, you wait for him to text you. This creates a rhythm and sets an expectation that he should also be making the effort to reach out. If he doesn't, it's a clear sign that he's not interested, and in that case, screw the guy and move on. You deserve someone who's excited to talk to you. If he does text you on the 4th time, then next time, you text first twice, then wait for him on the 3rd. This strategy gradually reduces the number of times you text first, making him more eager to reach out to you. It's calculated, but it works like fishing. You need to bait him into reaching out. There are many more details to share, and I'll cover them in future videos. But remember, this strategy is incredibly useful because whether or not he texts you first can reveal so much about his feelings. Men are simple. If they're not interested, they absolutely, and I mean absolutely, won't text you first. Try out these methods and let me know how it goes in the comments. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'd love to hear your stories. Remember, the key to getting him to text you first is all about confidence and strategy. Until next time, keep the conversation going and stay in control.